Hi, this is Michael with another Manager's Minute. Today, I want to talk to you about trust. Trust is the foundation of all meaningful relationships on this planet. You pull into a gas station and want to buy some gas. You slip your charge card into the slot. If you haven't been paying your charge card bill, you ain't getting no gas. Trust. The bank learns they can trust you because you pay your charge card bill on time. Therefore, they're going to give you some more gas. Think about every relationship you have at your workplace. Like there's a bank account tied to it. And if you want to have trust with somebody, you better start making some deposits. How do you do that? You go first. You start investing in the other person. You start telling them the wonderful things you can do to help them. There's this wonderful thing on this planet called reciprocity. When you start helping another person, they can't help themselves. They feel like they got to return the favor and start helping you. And just like that, you're off and running and starting to build trust. We'll see you next time.